Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to securely manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a common task: withdrawing Solana from your Ledger Nano X to Binance. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and updated. This hardware wallet is a beast for security, so double-check that the firmware is current. Head to the Ledger website if you need to update. Once that's done, connect your Ledger to your computer using the USB cable and open the Solana app on the device. You'll see a prompt on your Ledger screen. Confirm it to access your wallet. Next, fire up the Binance app or website and log in to your account. Navigate to the wallet section and select Deposit for Solana. This will generate a unique deposit address. Copy that down carefully, as it's your key to transferring funds. Remember, Solana uses a specific network, so ensure you're selecting the right one to avoid any errors. Now, back on your Ledger, go to the Solana app and select the option to send or withdraw assets. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, paste in the Binance deposit address, and double-check everything. Fees are a big deal here. Solana transactions are usually fast and cheap, but confirm the network fee before proceeding. Once you're happy, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device. After that, sit tight and monitor the transaction. It should hit Binance in a matter of minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, check your Binance wallet to confirm the deposit. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn your Solana. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both your Ledger and Binance for extra security. If you run into any issues, Ledger's support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.